Hello again. I'm going to talk today about an issue that was brought to my attention through many letters I got after my book, Between You and Me, was published. The book has a sentence on page 72. The sentence goes, "Dee was 2 years younger than me." A lot of people perceived this as a mistake. They wrote and said, "Shouldn't it be then I?" So even I learned, and I think it was in about third grade, that than is a conjunction. It should be followed by a clause with a subject. And in this case, the sentence should read, Dee was 2 years younger than I. And there's a kind of silent was. Dee was 2 years younger than I was. I have to write all these people back and tell them that I don't want to change this in the book. I see than, and this is totally legitimate, not as a conjunction, but as a preposition. And as a preposition, it takes the objective case, which is me, not I. So Dee was 2 years younger than me is correct. It's acceptable. I'm sticking with it, which means I have to answer all these letters. Dear Martha, that was not a mistake. I purposely wrote than me, and if you want to write than I, then that's fine with me, but you have to allow me to write than me if I want to.